Ahoy there, everybody! Captain Grant here, and welcome to Silent Hill. Very foggy morning. Holy crap. Alright, what are we talking about today? Those stupid, maybe not so stupid, YouTube monthly channel emails that we get. Those little update emails. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? Hope everyone's doing fine. This video is probably going to be out a lot longer than when it was recorded, because I'm to the point now where it's now very brisk out. Winter is definitely fast approaching here in the Northeast. Fall is in full effect. Like, we're at the peak for foliage. Yes, dead leaf weather, and snow is like literally it's heading this way. But I digress. I'm gonna keep motovlogging as long as I possibly can. However, let's talk about those monthly emails we all seem to get as content creators from YouTube regarding our channel analytics, our, how many subscribers we gained for the month, how many views, and how many hours of watch time or minutes of watch time we got. The reason I bring up all this is because yesterday, and here it is, was October, oh man, what day is today? October 13th? October 12th? Something like that? Today's the 13th. October 13th. So, the reason I bring this up is because I saw a lot of negativity online, especially on Instagram, regarding growth. And, and mind you, this is my own opinion on the whole matter. Other people see it differently. Other people have different goals and aspects on that. The basis I want to get on this is pretty much, I'd say out of the 10 to 15 of them I saw, I mean, all of them were much bigger than mine. And I was through the roof happy. Like, I was like, cool. We gained, in the whole month of September, we gained 12 new subscribers. Again, thank you and welcome. We did a crazy amount of like video views. I think it was like 6,000 views or something like that. And I forget how many minutes of watch time. But to me, I look at that as a positive step. I see that as growth. I see that as progression. Now, I'm seeing people who have 70 new subscribers, 15,000 minutes of watch time and all this, and they're like, this is bullshit. Like, wow, down month, this is, stupid. YouTube is dying. I'm not happy, and if that's how they see it, so be it. What they didn't do that really kind of, and I put out a big post on it, is they didn't thank the people that did come to their channel. They didn't say, hey, thank you to all the new follows and all the new subscribers, everyone that watched my videos. Yes, we had a down month, but let's build together and let's move forward. No, they just simply went, you know what, this is shit. And that's what kind of got to me. And I'm like, to me, if I was a new subscriber to a channel, and I started following all their socials and stuff like that, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, I mean, all that, Twitter, and I saw a post like that, and I was a new subscriber, new supporter of that channel, And basically that to me says, hey, thanks, but you don't really matter. That's how I see that post. It could be different. Could be different among everyone else. But do not shortchange all the new support that you're getting. Yeah, YouTube is down, you know. It's had a rough month, especially in the aspect of motovlogging. I mean, can I honestly say much? I don't know, because, you know, I've only put out 1 or 2 videos in the past like month and a half. But I still saw growth. I still saw positive, a positive step in my channel. Was it as big as I'd like to see? No, it isn't. But you know what? I'm still, regardless, I'm still happy. I am still happy with every single person that hit that subscribe button and put their trust in me to provide them with, you know, some sort of content. I'm not saying my content's good. I'm not going that far. Man, Silent Hill sucks today. It's very moist in the air. This is the time where I wish I had like the LED light bulb instead of the yellow bulb that's in right now. I mean, it's not yellow, but it's like an older like light bulb in this. It's not that bright. Hence why you don't see me doing too many night riding videos. Now, if I could afford the LED light bulb for this, oh yeah, maybe I'd do some more night riding and stuff, but I can't. I have a hard enough time seeing at night as it is. Anyway, so yeah, you know, and I'm not telling anyone how to run their own channel. That's not how I do things. Again, my own opinion. This is just how I see it. And I'm hoping that, you know, some people can learn from this. You know, it's just something that you see, and it's just like, wow. I mean, you know, I get, you know, your goals and you're trying to reach a certain point, but, you know, at the same time, you're kind of looking at all these new people and saying that they weren't worth it, like, or they didn't do anything, like they don't matter. And you shouldn't do that. It honestly, first of all, say your thank yous. Welcome all the new people that came in and that are new to support you. And then say, you know, we didn't reach our goals, but with all this new support coming in, I feel confident that we're going to get there, you know? Or you can be negative and say this is shit and we're not going to get there. That too. I mean, you do you. I just think throwing out more positivity towards a channel goes a long way. But honestly, that's really all I had to say on that whole subject. You know, I love, you know what, I don't love, I get why they do those YouTube emails. Like, I get why they do them. You know, it's a great tool. I mean, all these are tools to help you build your channel and see the growth. Sometimes they're hard to look at. Sometimes you look at them and they go, well, you know, this was shit. But, you know, at the same time, it's still a step forward. All those could read 0, you know? Man. It is very foggy out. It's very foggy. That's pretty cool. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you all for being here and hanging out and hearing me kind of do like a little mini rant on that whole thing. Be sure to hit me up on all my socials if you'd like to. You know, help spread the good word of the captain. And until the next one, this is Captain Granite. And if I make it out of Silent Hill, I'll see you later. Later.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah. I am the cream.